Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, a very simple and quick video, which requires only 3 ingredients. Today we're gonna do a bath oil. So the first ingredient, what I have in here oil. This is a grapeseed oil. It's a light oil which has no smell whatsoever and it's light in a yellow color. You can choose any oil you wish to use. So grapeseed oil I have in here. To this I would like to add Neroli Essential Oil. I love smell of the Neroli Essential Oil. Probably I love smell of all the floral this aromas. So Neroli Essential Oil I'm adding. The whole recipe you will find in the description box below, but don't worry, feel free to substitute this to any oil or any essential oil you prefer, okay? So Neroli Essential Oil I'm using, usually I'm taking baths in the evenings before the bedtime, and Neroli Essential Oil has so calming, nice floral aromas, and that's why I'm using Neroli Essential Oil. Okay, maybe I use a little bit more. It's pretty light in smell. Okay, so you won't be able to overdo it, I don't think so. And to give this a little hint, like, a little sparkle, I'm just gonna use a mineral pigment I have in here. Mineral pigment, it's a pearl mineral pigment. It is like it is a bit of mica and titanium dioxide. Okay, so mineral pigment. You can use any other mineral pigment which you like. I'm gonna use this one. And we're just gonna put it in it and mix it. So when you will get in your bath, it's gonna have not only lovely smells of aroma and oil, it's gonna give you this it's gonna leave your body hydrated and moisturized, but as well, it's gonna leave your body as well a little bit shiny with the mineral pigment. As you see, it all disperses nicely in the oil. And yeah, just transfer into your bottle. Lovely smell, lovely color. And I have in here a little nice bottle here, and just gonna transfer everything in it and your oil is done. So as I said before, feel free to substitute to any oil or any mixture of oils or any mixtures of essential oils. Put a little bit of the mineral pigments, to give this sparkle to your bath, and as well you can use some dry flowers if you wish to as well. So feel free to use it, and I'm using this recipe and just gonna transfer everything here. And that's your bath oil done. Super simple, super easy to do. There's no point go to the shop and buy it, bath oil from the shop, which is so simple and so easy to do. Okay, doesn't it look cool? It looks lovely and smells lovely. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, which was literally 3 minutes, and enjoy your baths with this amazing, lovely bath oil, and I'll see you next week. Bye.